Today, we are sharing a healthy oats weight loss smoothie recipe for dinner. This easy oats smoothie is perfect for days when you want something quick, filling, and comforting. No cooking, no fruit like banana, and no added sugar. Super easy to make, and an ideal meal for weight loss and weight maintenance. So, let's get started. To make our dinner oats smoothie in a bowl, I'm adding 1/3 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats. I prefer rolled oats because they are higher in fiber and keep you full for a longer time. I'm adding a little water and soaking the oats for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, why do we soak oats? Oats naturally contain something called phytic acid, also known as phytates. Phytates act as nutrient inhibitors, meaning they can prevent the body from absorbing minerals. Soaking or lightly roasting helps reduce this phytic acid and makes oats more digestible. If you often experience bloating, gas, or indigestion after eating oats, soaking them longer will really help. If you're making this smoothie for dinner, you can even soak the oats in the afternoon. For breakfast, you can soak them overnight for the best digestion. Today, I'm soaking them for 10 to 15 minutes. In another bowl, I'm adding 8 to 10 cashew nuts along with some water. Soaking the cashews softens them and helps them blend smoothly into the smoothie. Instead of cashews, you can use peanuts, walnuts, or soaked and peeled almonds, any nuts you prefer. I'm using cashew nuts because they provide healthy natural fats that make the smoothie filling and creamy. Next, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of raisins and soaking them as well. Raisins add natural sweetness, antioxidants, omega-3s, and fiber to the smoothie. After 15 minutes, the oats are soaked well. I'll strain them and rinse under running water. Add the soaked and rinsed oats. Add the soaked cashew nuts for natural healthy fats. Add the soaked raisins. Add 1 tablespoon flax seeds. Add 1 tablespoon raw cacao powder. 1 glass of water. Blend everything until smooth and creamy. I have made this smoothie completely sugar-free, but if you want sweetness, you can add medjool dates, maple syrup, totally optional. Pour the blended oat smoothie into a serving glass. For crunch, I'm adding almond slices on top. And just like that, my super healthy, filling, and fiber-rich oatmeal dinner smoothie is ready. So guys, do try this easy and healthy oats smoothie recipe for dinner and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching!